Hello there. We have another new lesson for today, and this is called the bird's eye view. Okay, on perspective lesson number 14. Okay, um, now you can identify these objects here. Okay, and do you know where the horizon is? Yes, the horizon is somewhere here. The horizon is somewhere here. This is where the horizon is. Okay, so this is the horizon line. Here, this is the horizon line. There is the horizon. Okay, so now you know what this is. I think this is a chest, something. Bread, an aquarium, and what's this? A train. Yes, a train. Okay. Now, you think you can draw this? I know. I believe you can draw, as long as you follow the worksheet example. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Now, again from the previous lessons, remember the horizon and the shape, and the shape is way below. Okay, now here is our horizon. There, our horizon, and the shape is way below. Okay, way below. The first two lessons we have is here, here. The first two lessons we have is here, here, and then here. But this time we'll go way below. Okay, so this horizon go below. Now let's have this one here. So we have the horizon. Okay, and then we will put the square way below, way below. Okay, so it can be a square, it can be a rectangle. It's up to you. Okay, and then any shape we put, and then we will put the vanishing point somewhere, anywhere from here to there. Okay, so as long as these dots can follow where these dots will follow the vanishing point, which can be here, 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 can be here. Okay, so at this lesson we will just put it here. Okay, so there, and again we will do again to continue our practice. Okay, so we have our dots, and our vanishing point is somewhere on the horizon line, and then we will connect all. Okay, so we'll connect 1 2 3 there. Then we just connect this one, connect this one. Okay, now next time we need to cut. Now remember, cutting the back part is inverse L, so it's the L upside down. Okay, L upside down there. So need to find the L upside down. So as long as this is straight, and then this is parallel to here. Parallel means they are of the same. Okay, the same, like this, the same, not like that. Even if you follow the horizon, not like this, not like that, not like that, but the same parallel. Okay, they run along together, same distance, parallel. Okay, so we have our box here. Okay, Now let's do the final. Let's try. Let's try. Let's try a rectangle. Rectangle. Okay, let's try a rectangle. Rectangle. So the next is we put the that and the vanishing point. Then we'll connect. And then we connect. And we connect all the dots to the vanishing point. And then follow this parallel for this. And okay, let's try. So because we there, that's the top, and on the side is the side is this way. Okay, so then we can erase this one, so they don't know how we did it. That's fine. Okay, so it can be a rectangle, can be a square, can be any. Okay, so and then you will have this portion. Of course, do you know what's next after this? Do you know what's next after this? Yes, it's test time. Okay, let's try. It's test time. So what's the first thing that we will do? Yes, the horizon. Okay, we'll use that one as horizon. Horizon. That's our horizon. Horizon. Okay. And after the horizon, we will put our square. Okay. Can be a rectangle, can be a square. So this time we'll do what? This time we do. You want the square or you want a rectangle? Okay, let's try. Let's try a square. It must be bigger. Okay, must be bigger. And then we put a dot, the dot, dot. Oops, what's missing here? Yes, the vanishing point. So we put the vanishing point there. It's the vanishing point. And then we will connect all of this. Connect there. Connect. And if you can avoid using the ruler, it's good for your practice to draw a straight line. Okay. On these exercises, I don't allow rulers so that you can really practice. And we will cut it from here. There. So what do we have here? So we have this. Okay. What do you think is good for this? Okay. Can we have okay. Now I think I know now what to do here is do oops, should be on the front. Okay. And, okay, so and then of course we put okay. What do you think of this? Okay. What do you think of this? Okay, so we have here what do you think is this? Come on, yes, yes it, yes it, yes it. Flower? Is it a flower box? No. Is it a glitter box? No. It's a tissue box. Yes, it's a tissue box. So, okay, so just shade it for so that we know where the light is coming from, okay? And then after that we can erase the guideline, okay? Some guideline to make the drawing clean. Okay. There. Okay, so we can make anything from this principle, okay, like this. Okay, so I know you can do this. You can follow the instruction, and this is called the bird's eye view perspective. I hope you learned something today, and from this lesson I will see you again on the next lesson, and that would be very exciting. Okay. Again, everybody can draw. Yes, and I hope you learned this lesson. Bird's eye view perspective.